Hello everyone! My name is Julie Kim, Shermo's Master. It is so great to see you all here today. Thank you so much for being here. I'm very excited to share with you about what I love the most, Atomy! You know, I really love bragging about Atomy because Atomy is full of eco-friendly and naturally sourced ingredients, which really defines the meaning of absolute quality and absolute price products. So I'm very excited to share with you today about our signature products and some of our new products that we haven't really touched base on. So let's get to it. There are a plethora of products to recommend here in Atomy. But if you were to ask me to pick one product, what would it be? Of course, Hemohim, without a doubt, because Hemohim is so special. It is only available here in Atomy. You cannot get this anywhere else. So I'm so excited to have Hemohim into the hands of our consumers. Hemohim is a functional health supplement that will boost and improve your immune system. Immune system plays a vital role to protect us again from harmful substances such as germs, viruses, bacteria, you name it, that can make you ill. I love Hemohim. And I love taking this every single day because it really leads me into a healthy lifestyle for myself, but also for my family, for my friends, and for all other people out there. There are so many inspiring stories throughout the world who has taken Hemohim and have seen major health improvements such as flu, allergies, cholesterol, diabetes, insomnia, and even cancer, since it is known to stimulate natural killer cells, which plays a major role in our immune system to fight against, to defend against harmful pathogens that may come into our body. Another reason why it's so special is because it was created by Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute. I know it's a long name, but we can just call it KERI. It's a big government facility institute in South Korea that has done a lot of research and development in many various fields. Employees first created this Hemohim with 8 years of research because they actually wanted to protect themselves against radiation exposure during their work hours. But we're so fortunate to have these in our hands, whether we're elders, workers, students, housewives, anyone can take this. So definitely this is just amazing product for all of us. So please take it and gain your own testimony to really improve and to maintain your health. This is a liquid supplement and you can just tear the top off and you can just drink it away. It's very convenient because it's just a liquid supplement that you can just take it wherever you go. Let's not forget about ginseng when we want to enhance our immunity. A lot of people are familiar with ginseng already because it's widely known across the world, especially in Asia. It's a well-known medicinal herb to enhance our immunity and to reduce fatigueness. This is Korean red ginseng, also known as 홍삼단. I love the premium packaging that it has. I mean, it looks so shiny and luxurious packaging. Do you hear that sound? It's like a shaker. Atomy is in the form of spherical granules instead of a liquid format to prevent oxidation. It easily melts in your mouth. It is so easy to swallow, or you can also dissolve it in water and mix it with water and drink it. Now I want to tell you that ginsenoside is the main functional substance that reduces fatigueness, promotes blood circulation, relieves tension from stress, improves memory functions. I need that. Antioxidant effect, and make sure that your immune system runs smoothly. Oh, hello there. I love this. I think I'm addicted to it. It really takes care of my inner and outer beauty all at the same time, it feels like, because especially in the winter time, my skin gets really rough and dry. But after taking pomegranate beauty, oh my goodness, I can totally feel that my skin is hydrated much more. Like, it's getting plumper too. The greatest beauty of all times, favorite fruit, was what? Pomegranate, yeah. So it should be our favorite fruit too. Let's all be like Cleopatra. So let me tell you something amazing, okay, ready? It's actually recommended 2 packets a day. So 2 packets equals 800 grams. So this means 26 times more than in 30 grams of pomegranate juice. With data too, it increased moisture, reduction of moisture loss, and also reduction of dead skin cells were shown after 8 weeks of consumption. And for women's health, it is shown to increase estrogen production and also help in menopause. How's the taste, you ask? It has such a sweet and tangy chew. And just a little tip, if you store it in the fridge, it has a very nice cool texture as well. So there's a life quote that I like to live by. Beautiful skin requires commitment, not a miracle. Thank you, Erno Laszlo. So regular skin cleansing is critical to your proper skincare regimen. So let's take a look at our evening care 4 set and how it can help us have a very clean and radiant skin. We can actually call this the home spa kit. I'll briefly show you how to use this set and also the main key functions of this wonderful 4 products that are in this set. First, get a pea-sized amount and massage all over your face to remove dirt, oil, buildup, also to break down the makeup that you might have for the deep cleaning of the pores. This will give you a firm and glossy skin with ginseng and ginkgo and carrot extract. Now second, it's called foam cleanser. It washes away all the impurities with this gentle foam cleanser to remove all the dirt and impurities to leave fresh and clean while boosting your hydration, unlike others that make your skin tight and dry. So massage gently and rinse away. Third is peeling gel. This is a gentle exfoliator which removes dead skin cells. Now, every one of us as human beings go through a turnover cycle from shedding dead skin to producing new skin cells for younger skin cells. After you cleanse, clean, dry your face. Apply generously to your face, and you can also apply this to other parts of the body. And wait about 3 to 4 minutes to let it turn into a liquid format. Once it's ready, massage gently, and you'll see little granules ball up into tiny pieces, extracting dead skin cells as you gently rub the product onto your face. It will leave your skin very smooth and radiant skin with sebum control. Last but not least, my personal favorite, oh my goodness, this is a multifunction mask with focusing on minimizing pores with amethyst powder, and it firms the skin by increasing elasticity with centella extract and calms and purifies the irritated skin with jade powder. Oh my goodness, I love this. The more often you apply this mask, you will see outstanding results with your skin tone and texture. On a clean and moisturized face, any moisturizer set you prefer to use from Atomy, you can apply the mask generously and wait till dry. Peel it off and voila! In order to have a proper skin regimen, you must include moisturization to rejuvenate your skin. Now, Atomy Fame Set focuses on anti-aging, but also hydration to fill your skin. I love this set because it has such a silky texture that applies so smoothly and high absorbent. So these are 5 items to apply morning and night. First, you apply the toner all over your face, then your eye cream, and this contains a lot of adenosine, which prevents wrinkles. So not just for under your eyes, but do apply anywhere that you want to prevent wrinkles. Third is essence. You apply all over your face as well. Then lotion. Then last but not least, nutrition cream. For those who have mature skin, are you worried about wrinkles, dark circles, sagging skin? Wouldn't it be nice to have a time machine for your skin to turn back to younger skin? Well, hear ye, hear ye. Absolute skincare isn't just anti-aging, but it has a whole new concept of de-aging, turning your older skin cells to younger skin cells. Imagine that. It's an intensive skincare routine. When they first came out with this set, I started using this and I love everything about it. Even with the design, it's very luxurious. And also the quality ingredients that it uses from nature, it's premium. Oh, I love the scent. It has a very nice, elegant tuberose scent. And when you apply this, you would think that it would be very thick and greasy, but it's not. It's a very smooth texture. Oh, I love the smell. You apply the Absolute Toner, which has the equal function of an essence because of the fact that this has green tea essential water base. Then you apply the ampule, then the serum, then lotion, and also nutrition cream. And when you do use nutrition cream, just a little bit of a tip, focus on your star zone, which has the most wrinkle appearance. I drink this stuff. Literally, like my skin drink this stuff. I mean, this set is great for all seasons, but I especially love using this at this time because spring is here and summertime is coming up, and with all the UV ray exposure, with the heat, air conditioning, all sorts of environmental factors that can irritate my skin, I love using this because it really soothes my skin. It's very refreshing and has a very nice cooling effect. My favorite part. This is great for brightening your skin tone as well because it has birch tree sap, sea berry fruit extracts to improve elasticity. It really focuses on sensitive skin and for wrinkles and for dry skin as well. And the packaging is so sleek. So this Hydra Brightening Capsule Essence is 2-in-1 toner and essence. So after you wash your face, you don't need to apply a toner separately, but you can just go ahead and go straight into this step. And you will see these microcapsules that are floating around. And in these microcapsules, it has 3 components, but the main is vitamin E. I just want to take a moment and mention that vitamin E is essential for skin antioxidation, moisturization, and skin protection as well. In order for these active ingredients to be absorbed into our skin, cellulose and mannitol have been added to act as a moisture barrier and also to stabilize the active ingredients for delivery. You can see the microcapsule essence. It quickly turns into liquid and melts into the skin when massaged into the face. And this is our Hydra Brightening Cream. And I don't know why, but it reminds me of yogurt for some reason. I mean, it has a very fruity scent. It just has like this yogurt type texture. Very, very light, which I love because I have oily skin, so I don't want something that's too heavy. But this is very, very lightweight, but still moisturizing at the same time. And they put my favorite color, pink. This is a natural color component of vitamin B12 for antioxidant and skin barrier protection. I've been using this set ever since it came out, and I love the fact that it feels really gentle. So because balancing out oil and water moisture is one of the most important key factors to keep your skin healthy. And because I have oily skin, I lack the water moisture, which this set really fills up that water moisture really nicely. I can definitely I don't want to drink it. I feel like I'm in a forest when I spray this. Really definitely feel refreshing. And gentlemen, I know it says beauty water, but ladies and gentlemen can use this to feel beautiful and handsome. So don't worry, it's for everybody. I love the name of this because the name says it all. You can spray this within 3 seconds to keep your skin moisturized. I feel so organic when I spray this because the main component is laurel leaf tree extract. Laurel tree extract is known to relieve skin dryness, itchiness, and something that I love is it contains eucalyptus because it's known to relieve stress, anxiety. So I love that it's contained here. This doesn't have to be only sprayed after you wash your face. You can spray this whenever your skin feels dry. The time is now. As we already know, regular hand washing is one of the best ways to remove germs, prevent sickness, and also prevent the spread of germs. Recently, I've been washing my hands more often than I was before. With this frequent hand washing, I ran out of my Atomy hand soap. Waiting for my new hand soap to arrive from Atomy, I was using a different brand from a drugstore. And lo and behold, my hands started to be scaly and dry and itchy, and I started to have eczema. So I can definitely say that I was born to use Atomy products. I can only use Atomy products. I love our hand soap. It has such a mild and soft composition that's even safe for children to use. It contains citrus extract and palm ingredient, and also my favorite coconut ingredient as well. So it's really hydrating for sure. Don't forget to moisturize your hand with our hand therapy to keep your hand soft and bright and to reduce wrinkles. It has such a pretty packaging, right? Which is very convenient in size to carry in your purse, even in the pockets of our macho construction workers. I know we've been staying home these days, so we've been doing something more often than usual. You know what it is, right? We've been cooking all day, a lot. So I hope you had avocado oil. Not just avocado oil, but I hope you have Atomy's Avocare 100% extra virgin avocado oil. If you didn't know, it's one of the healthiest oils on this planet. It isn't just for cooking, but you can actually use this in addition to your moisturization. So you can use this on your skin, human skin, dog skin. Yes, I put this on my Chihuahua's fur coat every single day. Her fur coat is shiny. Even hair, shiny, luscious hair. It's non-GMO, 100% pressed extra virgin oil. And avocados are imported from Mexico, so it has literally rich flavor and so fresh. Avocado oil is the way to go. I mean, just look at it. Just look at it. It'll be such a nice decoration to your home. Seriously. Okay, so last but not least, Atomy organic oatmeal. I was so excited when I heard that Atomy America will launch organic oatmeal because I'm a huge fan of oatmeal and I actually eat oatmeal every single day for my digestive health, and it has many other health benefits as well, and I definitely recommend you to do some research on oatmeal, so it'll be like a little mini unboxing per se. It contains 20 individual package. Ooh, look at this. I love the fact that they made this like an instant on the go, so we can just add hot water and then that's it. We're going to go ahead and try this out, or I'll try this out for you. So it has simple instructions on the back, give you directions on how to open this up. Push in on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and push in. Ah, so fancy. There's even a little cute spoon included. So it says bend to touch dots and lift. Oh, it's so cute. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add hot water in here. And it even gives you a recommended line where you fill up your water. So I'm gonna go get my hot water. Alrighty, so I have my hot water here, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it in. And I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it up to that line that it told me to fill up. My little spoon. Just gonna go ahead and mix it up. And it's not like those generic brands, it's organic, so it's even better. It is so good. Like seriously, it's not too sticky or too moist or too soggy at all. You know what? It tastes like Atomy, if that makes sense. All right, that's all I have for you today. I wish I had all the time in the world to show you rest of our phenomenal products, but I don't. So I hope you spend some good time on our Atomy's online shopping mall to see what else we've got. I hope you try these products and share your own love stories. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had so much fun with all of you. I hope you stay well and healthy as always. See you.